My area of research is video analysis. So we take video, which includes the video and the audio in the video, and try to understand as much as possible. So Briefcam is a company that is based on video summarization. So we have around surveillance cameras. They take 24 hours, 7 days a week, every day of the year. There's a lot of video and there's no people that can watch the video. So the idea here to take the video and summarize it, and we create summaries, we call it like a slogan, a day in a minute. So we can take a day of video and summarize it in a 1 minute clip. The principle behind the Briefcam, beyond the video summarization, is to detect objects in the video and basically show simultaneously objects that originally appeared at different time, but now we show them simultaneously. So video of places that are sparse, you see few people, suddenly become very crowded because we take objects from different time and show them together. It lets you see what happens in many hours in a very short time. An interesting example is the Boston Marathon bombing. In this case, the FBI used the Briefcam software. They managed to get to the bombers within 2 days, when previous cases of terrorism, it took several weeks, even months, to analyze the thousands of hours of video in order to get to the terrorist. The products of Briefcam are used worldwide. I can say it's installed in the Empire State Building, in the Statue of Liberty, a lot of airports and football areas. The Port Authority of New York City is using Briefcam to analyze their video. So it's used by many landmarks in the world. The most exciting thing in the university is the freedom the university gives the research, both to do research and then to transfer the research, what we call technology transfer. Startup companies, patents, licensing patents. So not only I was fortunate to have some interesting discoveries, but many of them found a way into products, into new companies, and I found this very exciting and very special for the Hebrew University.